guys, welcome back to my channel AV Karma. My name is Anjali and hope you all are doing great and are perfectly fine. So this video is very kind of new for me because I am not a professional in makeup at all. So I just tried to create this look right here. So if you are interested in watching that how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if haven't done yet. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so hi there. So let's get started. So first thing is just prep your skin, and so I am doing just moisturizing my face, and now I am using Fit Me foundation in the shade 310, and I am dotting it all over my face, and now I am just going to apply that everywhere, and with the help of a beauty blender I am just going to blend that out and making it little quick basically. And now I am going to do my brow, and that is just a normal brow pencil I have, and yes, I am giving them some shape as I don't really have a thick brow. Yeah, so I am done with that. I've done both my brows, and now I am going to be creating that look. So for that I am just going to conceal my eyelids so that whatever the pigmentation is around my eyes, that neutrals. Okay, so now I am dabbing some powder so that it don't crease a lot, and yeah, and yes. So moving on to the eyes, I am going to be using that palette, and I am going to be using the yellow shade in that palette, and you can see that is not really very pigmented, but yeah, I have to work with that only. So just applying this all over my crease line and basically creating a base for the whole eye makeup. And now I just started applying some orange, and I did this on both of my eyes. And yeah, it looks something like this. And now just applying some more reddish and yellow. Okay, so now I am just applying some red and orange color. I just mixed those two, and yeah, I am applying that, and that is pigmented but not too much, you can see that. And yes, I am blending that out, and it looks something like this. And now I am applying a gold shimmer using that palette only, and that was damn shining, and I don't know why my camera is not capturing it very well, but yeah, that was beautiful. And yes, you can see that, and it's look pretty good, right? Yeah, so now to the waterline, and I am doing the same thing. Firstly creating some base with the yellow eyeshadow, and then applying the orange over that, and I will do the same thing on the other eye as well, and do it until you are satisfied. Yeah, so I am done with that. Now it's time for eyeliner, and I will do that off camera basically. Yeah, so I am done with eyeliner. Now I am just going to curl my lashes to give them some bend, and that will look good. And I am done with that, and I am going to be using mascara from Maybelline that really elongates your lashes and give them some volume. Okay, so it's time for some blush, and for that I am using Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. For the next thing I am going to be using Mars contour and highlight palette, and I am going to be using the highlight from that palette, and you can see that is pretty blinding, right? It's beautiful and gorgeous, and I am just going to applying it everywhere it is needed. And yeah, it looks something like this. So it is the basic makeup you can create, and that is pretty easy, and I kind of like the outcome. Okay, so now I am just going to be creating the look. Right here you can see. So now I am dotting it. I had a distraction. Okay, so I am dotting it for making the flower. Hydration is needed. Now moving on, I am going to be creating some petals like so, you can see, and that was taking a lot of time, let me be honest, but I enjoyed it. And yeah, and fast forwarding everything. So yeah, it is how this looks, and now I am creating some stems. And I am going to make some leaves with this, and now like adding some little red flowers, and for that I am just dotting and creating some little shapes. It looks something like this. Actually, I just created this one side because it was taking time, and still this looks good. Adding some lipstick, applying some lipstick, and that actually smells very good. And yeah, so that is the final look. Hope you enjoyed it. It was nice, right? Actually, you can see the highlighter. Ooh, it's pretty good, right? Yeah, so that was the video. Hope you have enjoyed and learned something new. And also in this quarantine you can create all this look. I also created this for the first time and I kind of enjoyed a lot. And yeah, so if you want to create this look, then go on, and if you post any picture regarding this, then don't forget to tag me. And see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.